morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are here again for a review of the latest smartwatch in the market. Okay, so what we have here, I'm pretty sure you are familiar with this one. This is the No.1 DT88 Pro. Okay, remember the last time we reviewed the No.1 DT36. So this time we're going with a sport circular smartwatch, the No.1 DT88 Pro. So we're going to have the unboxing and checking out the design and specs of the smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries if we have time. Okay, again, let's start. This is the unboxing of the No.1 DT88 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so let's check it out. So a very beautiful packaging. As you can see here, you already can see the design of the wearable. So we have the black color. There are no details on the box except for the image and the color that you pick. Okay, so let's open it. Again, for the image here, it is somewhat like embossed. It is beautiful. So we have here the smartwatch. Let's hope that there's still battery left on the smartwatch so we can check out its menus, okay, or the screen display. So that is your smartwatch. Let's remove it. So the strap is not yet attached. Guess we will have to connect it later. We have the magnetic charging cable. Unlike the DT36 that it is a charging cradle, here we have a magnetic cable. So where's the... Okay, wow, nice, I like it. We have here a steel strap, very classy, very elegant Milanese steel strap. And we have the user manual. Okay, so it states here that is an outdoor sport smartwatch. Okay, so we have here the user manual. Again, the contents are, we have the user manual, we have the strap, okay, the smartwatch, and the charging cable. Okay, so let's check out the user manual first. What are the contents here? Okay, so we have the instructions, we have the support app. So this one, let's check if what is the support app for this one. Seems like it's a Fondo, I don't know, I'm not sure, but it is available in iOS and Android platform. Yes, it is a Fondo app, okay, similar to the No.1 DT36. So the support app, I think it has the latest app and it's always updated. A very popular app for smartwatches. So that's it. So other details here are in different languages. So there are few pages for the user manual. Okay, and we have the strap. I guess we have, let's see, though, so it's not a quick release pin. I guess you just have to attach it. We'll see it later. Okay, how are we going to connect the watch to the strap? Oh no, it is, it's a quick release pin. So we have here the pin. Okay, so we have here the quick release pin. So your smartwatch strap and the smartwatch. So let's go to the design of the smartwatch. We have here the sticker here. It shows the, I guess, the watch face or maybe the default watch face. We have a physical button here, PC, I think plastic button, and we have a I'm not sure if it's an aluminum body or zinc alloy body, a heart rate monitor, and a connector here, power connector. Okay, so far we have a, let me show it to you closer. We have a glossy design, beautiful body here, looking good. Okay, let's make it clear. So beautiful glossy body. Okay, unlike the DT36 that has a brush finish, this one has a very glossy finish, so it is much more dirt resistant and it looks classy, especially if you will get the other silver here. I think this one is a rose gold color. Okay, so let's check out the specifications of the smartwatch before we attach this one. We attach the strap. So we have the NRF 52832 processor, 1.22-inch IPS LCD, okay, 180 mAh battery. So with a 240 by 240 pixel resolution, we have Bluetooth 5.0 compatible with the iOS and Android. Again, if you want the full specifications, just go to our website smartwatchspecifications.com. Check out the links below. So what else do we have here? So we have here, okay, it is a zinc alloy and F52832 processor. So there's no Wi-Fi, there's no NFC. So 15 days standby time, IP67 waterproof. So let's see if there's the G sensor, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and ECG. Okay, so it is available in gold, black, and silver colors. It is using the Fandu support app. So that's it. So that's the specifications of your No.1 DT88 Pro smartwatch. So let's try to attach the strap here. Just wait. Let's check if we can connect it. Okay, we have successfully attached the strap with its easy to attach quick release strap here, or quick release pin. Okay, so far it looks good. And the strap that comes with the No.1 DT88 Pro is very premium looking. Okay, very classy, and we hope that it will hold on. Okay, but so far it seems like it's a very beautiful and durable strap. Okay, we'll see in the long run if it's strong and of course durable, especially if you have a lot of movements. Let's check. Okay, so far okay, so far seems like it's durable enough for your sports activity. Okay, so let's check out the screen here. Very sharp looking display screen, 2.5D with a slim black bezel here. Okay, let's have a closer look. Look at the design. Looks beautiful. Nice looking smartwatch from DT No.1. Okay, so let's compare it with our No.1 DT36. Okay, so here's a somewhat like an equivalent rectangular smartwatch here. Beautiful No.1 DT36, and we have here elegant looking, professional looking No.1 DT88 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so let's hope that there's still battery left on their smartwatch. If there's no juice left, we're going to show it to you next time. Okay, on our video review of the menus, functions, features, and other health options here. Long press. So I guess there's no battery left, there's no juice left. Okay, try to check it out. Okay, so the battery for the smartwatch is already depleted. We'll charge it next time, and watch out for the video. I'm going to show you the menus and functions of this smartwatch. Again, this is your smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.